What really differentiates an organization that is merely data aware from one which is strongly data driven? There are some key attributes. If you look at how they handle data, how the leadership participates, what initiatives they pick, how they run it, what are the roles, what are the org structures, collaboration, and culture. If you look at it, a data aware organization uses data opportunistically. The leadership funds the initiatives and waits for the returns. And the initiatives are essentially driven by the technology, and there are a series of projects where they invest in a project, wait for the returns to come in, and then it's a kind of a wait and watch kind of a mode. In terms of roles, they are not multifunctional. Again, it is opportunistic. I see a need for getting some predictive insights. I hire a data scientist. I want to present this better. I hire a designer. So it's not very planned or it's not multifunctional. And org structure is typically centralized or decentralized, and they don't go beyond that. And the collaboration is mostly unstructured conversations based on some burning needs. And the culture, as a result of it, resists data. Whereas for a data driven organization, data is leveraged strategically, and they plan it upfront, and the leadership drives it from the front. They fund the initiative, but importantly, they own and spend time in terms of the mind share, and also how they make an example of why it is important. The initiatives are not just projects, they are programs, long term programs, where they have a series of projects. Only when you execute all of this, they understand that the final ROI will come. And these are executed by the business. And they staff for the 5 key roles we talked about. And hub and spoke is something which they evolve into. And the collaboration is explicitly planned for the 5 steps I mentioned. All of these are things which they usually take off. And the culture, as a result, embraces data. You can see the real difference between a data aware versus a data driven organization. The maturity level of these two organizations is completely different. And you can see why the second organization will go a long, long